So should we work on the 1275 kit today? Nah, let's go to Daytona.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm out here on the old Iron 83 out on the highway, and we're heading off to Daytona Beach. Yep, we're gonna go head over and check out Daytona Bike Week. Today is Thursday, so it's the middle-ish of the week, and we're gonna go see what's going on. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Johnny. I make motorcycle-related content here on YouTube. And if you could hit that like, comment, subscribe button if you're just checking it out, that's always appreciated. I mostly work on my Iron 883 right here, and I'm in the process of turning it into a Iron 1275. So we're out here on I-4, and we're heading across the state, and as usual, I-4 is full of traffic, so this might take a little longer than I thought. So I've never been to Daytona Bike Week before, and so this is, I'm not sure what to expect, but from what I've seen on YouTube of past years, it looks pretty fun. Seems like a good time, so I thought we'd go check it out, see what's going on, but I won't bore you with the travels. I'll pick this back up when we get closer to Daytona. So we're here in Daytona. We're heading down to Main Street right now. We're gonna go check this out. Never seen Main Street in person. It's really cool to see the amount of bikes that are down here. I mean, there's just everything. They have Main Street blocked off the cars, so it's just bikes only, so it's pretty cool. man, I tell you, that was crazy. Well, that was just a quick little trip over to Daytona for the day. I was only here for a few hours. And man, there's a lot to see. There's a lot going on. Way more than you can cover in a day, at least in a day trip. Yeah, so we're heading out of town here right now, heading out of Daytona, heading back to Tampa. It's gonna be about a 3-hour drive back, traffic. But yeah, I mean, look at all the bikes around. People are still streaming in. I mean, the party's just getting started and it's only like 5 o'clock. Yeah, and I think that's one of the coolest things about Daytona, that there's just like every kind of bike you can imagine, man. It's everything from cruisers to sport bikes to dirt bikes to custom bikes, choppers, trikes. You know, you basically, if it's 2 wheels or 3 wheels, it's here. And I saw license plates from everywhere around the country, so people are riding in from everywhere. So that's really cool. Yeah, you know, I didn't even get to see like half the stuff that was going on. You know, there was something going on over here at the Speedway, which I didn't get to see. There was, I saw at the Indian dealer, there was demos, and I saw a Honda dealer, there were demos. So like even here at here's the Speedway, and they're having some big show event here too. I didn't even get the chance to stop here. Back on our way home, leaving Daytona, getting back on I-4, heading west. Well, bike week was interesting, gotta say. I definitely think I would come back, so maybe next year, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little trip to Daytona Beach for Bike Week 2021. And as always, if you're new here, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. I appreciate everyone who subscribes to the channel. I'm trying to bring some interesting bike content each week. And thanks again for watching. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one, all right? Keep riding, stay safe. All right, peace, YouTube.